Hello and welcome. Allow me to start the sizzle a bit differently today. Namaste. I honor the place in you which is of light and joy, and I honor the place in me which is of light and joy. And when we are both in that place, we are one. Now, I have been talking on my channel about different things, allowing, journaling, visualization. Like if you go and follow my channel, there's a lot of tools and tips and techniques that I have been sharing. And today is what I'm going to share is the essence of all, which is peace. Oftentimes I have people come to me and say that, oh, they're looking for peace. They're looking for happiness. When they have this, they'll be very happy. And when they have this, they'll be very happy. And in my opinion, and that's just my opinion, and that's why I'm sharing it with you, you may or may not resonate, and that's totally fine, is that peace or happiness is not something that you go and seek by finding the things or the people or the items that will bring you that. Peace is a state of mind that you live from. When you live from that place, there's no things, there's no people, there's no situations that can make you at peace or happiness, because you're operating from that place already. You're in that state, so when you do come across the situations or people or items, it's automatic. You will be at peace and happiness because you're operating from that place. And the best way to bring the peace is to pause your day, if not twice or thrice, maybe once a day, if not for 10 or 15 or 20 or 30 minutes, maybe for 5 minutes, is where you just go into a meditative state. And the best thing, and this is what's working for me, and that's what I'm sharing again, is that when you close your eyes, do not have any music playing. Now, I truly believe in sound meditation. I do sound meditation, but there's still a time in my day that I give it to myself in silence. No music will be playing, nothing will be going around me. It'll be just complete silence with my eyes closed. And the question that I usually ask, universe, God, consciousness, whoever you believe in, what do you want me to know? And interestingly enough, there's some situation and some people or there's certain things that I'll see that will be like bringing me peace, because it's like a reflection upon me. Where do I need to switch? Where do I need to make a changes? How do I take the situation in such a way that I am the creator of the situation and I take the responsibility of it? So a lot of inward journey will start happening. And my hope is that you're really giving yourself that gift. For me, that is definitely a gift. It's a time that I crave for, that is my private time in silence, reflecting upon me. So that's your sizzling thought, you want to call it, or just a suggestion, or whatever you want to call it. But thank you for allowing me to share that with you. Is to pause your day and just ask yourself, why am I here? What's my purpose? And what do you want me to know? And you'll be surprised how the answers will start coming to you. Now, one thing I will suggest is that make it a practice. You may not find major changes in it with the first day or second, third day, but when you practice it for, my challenge would be is to 15 to 30 days, you will notice that a lot of shift will start happening. So pause your day and just ask yourself that question. And the best thing you want to do is to connect with your breath.